Today we are going to learn the days of the week in Spanish. As you see, the days of the week are called los días de la semana. Los días are the days, and la semana is the week. The days of the week are lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, y domingo. Please listen to the following song about the days of the week.
Lunes is Monday, martes is Tuesday, miércoles Wednesday, jueves Thursday, viernes is Friday, sábado Saturday, domingo is Sunday. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Lunes is Monday, martes is Tuesday, miércoles, Wednesday, jueves, Thursday, viernes is Friday, sábado, Saturday, domingo is Sunday. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Lunes is Monday, martes is Tuesday, miércoles, Wednesday, jueves, Thursday, viernes is Friday, sábado, Saturday, domingo is Sunday.
Okay, so in review, we have lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, and domingo. Now, do you notice anything about these days of the week that makes them different from English? If you go back and take a look, you'll notice that none of the days of the week are capitalized in Spanish. In English, we consider them proper nouns, and they are always beginning with a capital letter. In Spanish, that is not the case. They are always beginning with a lowercase letter. Okay, so ¿qué día es hoy? This question is asking, what day is today? In response, you will respond with hoy es and then the day. So for example, today, if you look at this calendar, is showing that it is Wednesday, miércoles. So you would say, hoy es miércoles. ¿Qué día es mañana? Is asking what day is tomorrow. So if today was Wednesday, then tomorrow would be Thursday. So instead of responding with hoy es, we want to say mañana es. So mañana es jueves. Now, another important point when you're talking about the days of the week is that if you want to say that something specific happens on a day of the week, you will use el before that day. So for example, if we wanted to say school starts on Monday, we would say la escuela empieza el lunes. Okay, so school starts on Monday. El, in this case, is... Okay, so the first question that is important to know is ¿qué día es hoy? ¿Qué día es hoy means what day is today. So that is asking you what day of the week is it today. So if you look at the calendar, the 24th is circled, and that looks like it falls on a Wednesday. Okay, so you would respond hoy es and then the day. So for this particular day, we would say hoy es miércoles. To ask what day is tomorrow, we would ask the question ¿qué día es mañana? So if today was miércoles, tomorrow must be Thursday. So mañana es jueves. Now, one important thing to know when talking about days of the week is that when you want to say what day of the week something takes place on, you will use el before that day of the week. Okay, so for example, el lunes means on Monday. So school starts on Monday. La escuela empieza el lunes. Now that means that something happened just one time. It happened on one Monday. If something happens habitually, so it happens every week on the same day, you will use los before that day of the week. So for example, Spanish Club meets on Wednesdays. El Club de Español reúne los miércoles. So for homework, please respond to the following questions. ¿Qué día es hoy? And ¿qué día es mañana?